Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the image and confirming the layer is editable. Photoshop will not change transparency on a locked background. Once done, convert background to a normal layer by double-clicking it and naming or accepting the default. Make sure the Layers panel is visible so you can see opacity and blending controls. You need a layer selected to alter transparency. This first step prevents dead ends later and establishes the working layer for all subsequent adjustments. Now you change the layer's overall transparency using opacity in the Layers panel. Drag the slider to 50% or type a value for precision. If you use layer styles and want effects to remain while content becomes transparent, lower fill instead of opacity. Fill affects pixels but not styles. For complex or local transparency, apply a layer mask and paint with black to hide or white to reveal. Masks are non-destructive, so you can refine edges and transitions without losing. Finish by refining masks and opacity for seamless results. Use a soft brush at low flow to gently fade areas and adjust layer opacity for global balance. When you're ready to save, export as PNG or keep a PSD to preserve alpha channels. If transparency doesn't appear where expected, make sure you converted the background and did not flatten to a solid background. Also check file format. JPEG removes transparency. If a layer style looks wrong, toggle fill versus opacity to recover intended effects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.